ask the question every day before you jump into the process. You should know what you might pay. It's not one price, one moment. It's steps along the way. Time and money working together to protect what you create. First comes the research, talking through your idea. Search the space, get advice, make the path a little clearer. A few thousand just to start, make sure it's the right road. Better to know up front before you go all in bold. It's an investment, not a fee. It's building what your future could be. Step by step, take control. Go big, go bold. Then comes filing, writing every claim. Provision note to start, then the full application game. 10 to 15, sometimes more, depends on what you build. Simple tools or complex systems, each one takes more skill than the waiting. Examiners push back. Rejections, revisions, getting you on track. More time, more cost to get it to the end. But that's the process, to protect and defend. And after it's granted, you still pay to keep it alive. If it's making